Have you ever wondered how your typical African celebrates Christmas? Well, Lusika Writes is here to give you that answer. Hi and welcome to my video. I am Tserofatso of Lusika Writes, and today we're going to be talking about Christmas with an African twist. So in Africa, we don't typically celebrate Thanksgiving like in America and Canada. And so our festive season starts December 1st. Go December boss is what your typical youth would be saying. The 1st of December, it is a period where people start to celebrate in anticipation of Christmas Day. It is also a period of school holidays, people meeting their family, their future in-laws, spending time with their loved ones. People travel far and wide to go and spend time with their loved ones. So officially it is the festive season. And what do you say? You say Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. So in Setswana you would say Aonele Keresemose e monate, Keresemose e ntle, which Christmas is a borrowed word. It means Christmas. So monate is good or nice. So Merry Christmas. Ke go eleletsa Christmas e ntle, ke go eleletsa Christmas e monate, ke go eleletsa Christmas e ntle, ke go eleletsa Christmas e monate. That means I wish you Merry Christmas, a nice Christmas. Christmas also is a holiday time, so some people who are not religious might want to say Happy Holidays instead. Holidays in Setswana are Malatsi a Boitapoloso. Boitapoloso means restful, so Malatsi are days, so rest days, holidays. So Malatsi a Boitapoloso. So you would say ke go eleletsa malatsi a boitapoloso a monate. Ke go eleletsa malatsi a boitapoloso a mantle. Ke go eleletsa malatsi a boitapoloso a monate or a mantle. Means I wish you happy holidays. So Christmas is a big do in an African household. You invite the whole family. You plan it in advance. People kill cows and goats, chickens, duck, whatever floats your boat, depending on how many people you're expecting at your do. Food is the main event. All of Africa, I think, has a hot Christmas, so we're not having the eggnogs and or mild wine because we are having a summer Christmas. So, but food is the main event. Now, for some families, gifts or dimpo are gifts, plural. Mpo is one gift. Mpo is one gift. Dimpo are gifts. So for some people, the exchange of gifts are the main event. For me, it's the grub, it's the food. Now, how does this all start? So typically Christmas Eve, you are meal prepping because we're not trying to be doing any African time. We're trying to keep the time. The main event is food on Christmas Day, which is typically a lunch. So Christmas Eve, you're meal prepping. You might be attending Christmas carols. Christmas carols are Dipina tsa matsalo a morena. Dipina is songs. Matsalo a morena is the birth of Christmas, of Jesus. So Dipina tsa matsalo a morena is songs of the Christmas time. So you might go for Christmas carols and you're meal prepping. And then the next day, because you're not keeping to African time, you wake up early. Merry Christmas! Christmas e monate, Christmas e ntle. And you get your cooking on. Now, what I look forward to on the table are, typical Setswana food. You have the 7 colors. So 7 colors are the sides. usually they say 7 colors because you have different colors. You have the yellow of the pumpkin, liputi. You have the red or the dark burgundy of the beetroot. Then you have the potato salad with all the trimmings. So ditapole are potatoes. And then you have chakalaka, which is pickled veggies. You have the lettuce or the green salad, with the tomatoes and the feta and the cucumber. That's my jam. I just like to have food. And then you have seswa, which is pounded beef or similar to pulled pork, but it's kind of different. And then if you've killed a goat or a cow, you might have mohodu, serobe, which is tripe. Serobe, mohodu is, there's a mixture of tripe and small intestines. It is chef's kiss. It's what home is to me at Christmas time. Then you have stampa, which is samp or corn. And then you have palichi, but palichi is usually for the evening meal. So during the day, you're having your 7 colors with, satampa or samp, and the different meats, the grilled chicken, the seswa, sorobe. Ooh, yeah. And then in the evening, because you are keeping to African time. No African time, I meant to say. So you are serving lunch at lunchtime. And you're having all the dessert, the trimmings, the trifle, the homemade gingerbia, khemere. Then you are all gonna go into a food coma, right? You're gonna rest a little bit. You might go watch some choirs, di choire, which are like homegrown talent. There sometimes can be competition of the local community choirs. So you go there with your drinks and your umbrella because it's usually really hot, and your cooler box, And then after that, you have marinated your meat. See, we're not keeping to African time. You marinate your meat on your way out. You have pre-cooked your pap because, So you come home with the charcoal ready for the braai. Yeah, the braai. Or the barbecue, set it up, the music, the drinks are flowing, the music, and you dance, and that is Christmas. So yeah, drinking and being merry, sharing time with your loved ones, that is the whole essence of an African Christmas. And usually when you have a big do, a huge do, you've killed a cow, you might even invite the whole community. And these are invitations where you don't send an invitation. Everybody just knows that coming to Tsogofato's house for Christmas, and you share what you have, the little that you might have, or if you've made a big do, everybody comes to eat, drink, and be merry. That is your typical African Christmas. Now, I have said and talked about a few yummy dishes that are making me salivate. So I thought, as a follow-up to this video, I would show you how to make some of those with an Australian twist, because I'm in Australia and we don't necessarily all have access to the seswa. No, seswa we can make, but the serobe and mkhodu can be a bit of a challenge. So I will give you some quick behind the scenes videos of how I meal prep so that I do not run on African time and cater to Christmas with an African twist, so that my kids get to experience the type of Christmas I used to enjoy back home. Anyway, if you like this video and you learned something, please like, follow, subscribe, share, do the thing. You know what to do. And so Merry Christmas to all your families. Ke solofela le tla itumelela Christmas ya 2024. I hope that you will have fun in 2024 Christmas. And see you in the, not too distant future, because I will be teaching you how to make some African food. Merry Christmas from the Lissika Raz team. Till next year. Bye.